Hey there, my Simplify soulmates. It's Eileen Reed, professional organizer with Simplify with Eileen. I wanted to talk with you a little bit today about how do you know when you're organized? A lot of my clients are keyed in on that sort of destination or that sort of, final, aha, I'm organized. And I'd like to suggest that honestly, it's more of a process. It's more of a journey versus a destination. When I think back about the years since I started Simplify with Eileen, I have continued to simplify my life in lots of different ways, and sometimes going back over areas that I thought I'd already simplified, but I actually was able to simplify even more. So if we think about things more in terms of there not being just a big period at the end, it's not the destination, but it's the process, the journey, the path. Be open to reevaluating and maybe shifting your criteria for how much is enough for you and your family, and just continue working at it. Consider it some part of your life's work to simplify and organize. And I bet that you will find a lot more joy, a lot more time, a lot more happiness, a lot more calm when you have less physically things. You actually have more of a life. One of my favorite sayings is, I want to spend less time making a living and more time making a life. So just wanted to share that with you today. Keep at it. Organizing is not a destination. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in. For more information on organizing and simplifying your life, please check out my Facebook and website at simplifywitheileen.com. Thanks all. See you soon. XO.